So what I'm going to do with this, it's the right way. It's not backwards. I'm making a stamp of this. This is just regular felt tip marker because it's water soluble. I'm going to show you how I'm going to transfer this. So I've created this sort of stamp to begin with, which is just a flat mark, as flat and smooth as I can possibly make it for now. And you can check to see if it's working. Okay, so now I know exactly where to carve away using that. Just try not to smudge it because it's, it will come off. But now I know how to make my stamp. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use very, very small loop tools. Use things to make impressions, but if you have any of these tools, that's good too. I'm actually going to wait till this is leather hard. You can see that that's what I did here on this one. I removed all the stuff around the bird. The only difference between this one and that one is I'm going to remove everything. You see how I kind of kept these corners? It kind of annoys me when I push in, like in the bottom of a cup. Sometimes it indents the corner, so I'm going to remove everything.